can add the local file to the Spotify in your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can add any of the local files that you want to add into your Spotify in the iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your iPhone files, and from here you have to go in this browse icon. Now once you are in, you just have to go in the downloads, and you just have to click on these three dots that is in the top right corner, and you have to click on the select. Now you just have to select any of the audio that you want to add the local file in your Spotify, and after that you have to click on this icon of the browse, and once you are in here you have to go in the search and simply search for the Spotify. So once you search for it and you are able to add it, you just have to click on the move, and you are able to move your local files to the Spotify into your iPhone. Now after that you just have to go back and you have to go into your Spotify, and you have to go in the home, and you just have to click on to your profile and go in the settings and the privacy. Now you just have to scroll down and go in the local files, and you have to make sure that this icon is toggle on, and if it is not you just have to switch on it on the show audio files from this device, and after that you are able to add all of the local files that you want to add into your Spotify. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.